What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we are going to be replacing the stock side tank covers with 100% carbon fiber. So it's going to be this part right here. So this is going to be the stock, the side tank cover. So we're going to remove these, and the way that we're going to remove them is we're going to remove this top panel right here. So it's going to be these bolts here. So we're going to remove that one, and that one. This is going to pop off. And then we're going to remove that, and we're going to remove, we had to remove the seat to get in with this, right there. So we're going to remove that bolt, that seat will pop up, and there should be another bolt in there, and then we should gently pop this out, and hopefully everything goes well as planned. And here's what we're going to replace it with. It's going to be 100% carbon fiber. So we're going to be replacing it with this beauty right here. And it's the 100% carbon fiber twill. That's just the design that's on here. It's kind of like the design that they use on the BMW M carbon fiber parts. Usually come in the twill pattern, TWILL, twill. So it looks nice and pretty. So it looks like this piece right here, when we remove it, we're gonna have to remove this part and put this on the carbon fiber side tank cover as well to make sure it clips in correctly. Other than that, I don't really see a problem removing this. It just has to be gentle so that it pops out. And then this portion right here, I noticed that there's a little hole on the carbon fiber one, so I believe that's where that goes. And I would imagine that it probably just pops into place, but we'll see how that works. So there's a little hole there, and there's like a little portion that sticks out that pops into there, and then this part here, when I remove it, you can see this little piece that's attached to it, so it goes right underneath it, and I pop that into place. So I forgot, I gotta do one more, this one right there. So after comparing the two with this little, hold on, let me put this down. So comparing the two with this, when I turn this over, I thought I had to take it out with these little rivets there, 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 and there, and then this thing pops out. So then there's like a hole right here, which kind of makes sense. But as I'm looking at this one, it's all just one continuous piece. And these little air vents, I'll just call them air vents, not sure what it is, but those little air vents are, it's connected to the entire piece by itself, so it's not a separate piece. So when I put this on, the whole thing is just like that. I thought I had to take off this little black portion here, which I think you would need to do that on some model tank covers, but on this particular one it's not. It's just the entire piece. So we'll see how it looks. Okay, so far so good. I still put the bolt in there. On this piece it didn't have like a little connection part where I put the bolt through. So it just stays like that, I guess. That right here, put that bolt through there. Underneath here, you're gonna see like a little portion where this is gonna slide into to keep it in place. And then as I'm going up the neck over here, I have it secured with the bolt there. And then this portion here, it's open, but I'm gonna put once I put the plate on the top, I think it screws into there or somewhere, and I know it's gonna be held on by this, and then of course over there. So it's pretty good so far. Okay, so far so good. I got this part on, flows through. I like leaving this one, not carbon fiber, but just the regular black. I think the black looks really nice on there. One of the things that I did get was the cowl. I got that in carbon fiber. It looks pretty good. So now, last but not least, is just going to be putting the seat on. Okay, and here's the final product. Thanks for watching.